Hi, I am Jayashree, 3rd BCom Corporate Secretaryship from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Income from other source. It is a residuary head of income, that is, income not chargeable under any other head is chargeable under this head. All income other than income from salary, house property, business, and profession or capital gain is covered under income from other source. Format and provision for income from other source. First one, dividend income. Dividend are taxable except dividend from Indian companies. Dividend from Indian company is an exempted income. Dividend from foreign company and dividend from cooperative society are taxable. To that, we have to less any expenses incurred. Example, collection of charges. Casual income. Casual income is not a regular income. Here, winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, horse race, card games are included as casual income. In casual income, amount won or given, they represent gross amount. So, grossing up is not needed. When amount received is given, it represents net amount. Grossing up is required at the rate of 30%. Grossing up is required only when the income is less than rupees 10,000 in case of lotteries and rupees 5,000 in case of income from betting on horse race. Interest on securities. No tax is deducted on government securities. Hence, interest on government securities shall not be grossed up. Interest on non-government securities is to be grossed up only when interest received is given as net amount and less any expense incurred. Interest on bank deposit. If its interest exceeds rupees 10,000, TDS rate for interest on bank deposit is 10%. Family pension. To the family pension received, we have to less standard deduction, that is, 1/3 of pension or rupees 15,000, whichever is less is to be deducted. Income from letting of furniture, plant and machinery. Here we have to less any expenses like depreciation, repair, insurance, etc. Next, royalty income. Here also we have to deduct if any expense incurred. Income by subletting of house property. When an assessee lets a property which he had taken on rent is called subletting and deduct any expense if any incurred. Income by maintenance of horse. Expenditure on horse maintenance can be set off only against take money, not on any other income. Other income. Income from agriculture land, that is outside India. Salary to MLA, MP or taxable allowance received by them are fully exempted. Any gift in excess of rupees 50,000 received from unrelated person are taxable. Gifts received from relatives are fully exempted. Ground rent, director fee, examiner remuneration are taxable. The total received is called income from other source. Thank you.